See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Thank you, Ekiti people, for giving me joy today. I'm in Australia, but you all came out today to tell all the former governors in Ekiti that their time is up. You look at the crowd up here. Today, they all came out in Ado Ekiti to speak with a loud voice to say enough is enough. Bye-bye to Ayo Fayose. Bye-bye to Niyi Adebayo. Bye-bye to Segun Wumi. Bye-bye to Governor Fayode Fayemi. Ekiti people have come out, they speak up in a loud voice today to say enough is enough. If we have 21 days to this election and they have lost already, look at this crowd today. They have lost. They have lost. They are gone. Look at that one wearing PDP cap in APC rally. They have failed. Their end has finally come. Ekiti is gonna breathe the breath of fresh air. Their end has come. Thank you, Ekiti people. Thank you all for coming out today. After burying my wife yesterday, I am happy today to know that they are all finally gone. No more ex-governors. Look at the crowd in Ekiti today to welcome Oluyede, to say no, Ekiti people have had enough. No more Gasope, no more chopping your money, no more them taking the contract. Look at the crowd today in Ekiti. Oluyede is coming. I am happy. Nigeria, I'm on my way home now to complete the remaining days. 21 days to go. Ekiti has been delivered. Anything after this one now rigging. Anything after this now rigging, because we have won. We have won. Oluyede is coming. Bye-bye to Bao. Bye-bye to Oyebanji. Bye-bye to Jagba. Bye-bye to thieves. Bye-bye to government of governors by governors, replacing the government with their children. I want to beg you, APC, accord all of you to join us in this race now. Let's have one candidate to take over the mantle of the state. Congratulations, Ekiti people. We have won. Today is a success. Gbogbo Ekiti ti reject APC, wọ́n ti reject Bao, wọ́n ti sọ pé bàlúbàlú ní ti Bao. Gbogbo ìlú Ẹ̀wẹ̀rẹ̀ tó ti ń jáde wìtìwìtì. Olúyìdé ni o, Olúyìdé ni o, Olúyìdé ni o. Má tàbò rẹ̀, mo fọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ bá mi share fídíò yìí kó dé kọ̀lé, kó dọ́yẹ́, kó dé ríò, kó dé gbọ́yìn, kó dá fáọ̀, kó dé Ìfẹ́lódùn, kó dé Ìrẹ́pọ̀dùn, kó dé gbogbo ibi. Wọ́n ti reject APC lẹ́kìtì. Ìjọba jínigbé, ìjọba tanisíta, ìjọba ìkà, ìjọba olè. Ọdún mẹ́rin náà fi ṣe bíríìjì kan lẹ́yìn wọn. Wike tó wà l'Abuja ti ṣe bíríìjì 20. Ọdún mẹ́rin wọ́n kàn pín owó, wọn ṣani. Airport tí ń bá jókòó tí wọ́n lọ́rùn, wọn ò ní gbé airport ilẹ̀. Gbogbo ìlú ti reject wọn. Ẹ̀rù tó ń bà mí ni kó má tàbò rẹ̀. Má tàbò rẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ election. Do not sell your vote. Dìbò sébẹ̀ gbúdọ̀ dópin. Oko ẹrú ni dìbò sébẹ̀. Má jẹ́ kó mú ẹ mọ́lẹ̀. Mo fòyọ́nú Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ má tàbò rẹ̀ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe reject wọn yẹn, má sọ wọ́n lókúta. Kẹ́ máa sọ fún wọn pé ó dìgbò ṣe. Gbogbo wọn la máa kó sẹ́wọ̀n, wọ́n máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lẹ́yìn ìjọba. Owó wa tán ti kó jẹ, tán ti kó rì, wọ́n máa pọ̀. Ẹ bọ́ síta yányán kẹ́ lọ tẹ̀ f'Olúyìdé. Ẹ dìbò f'Olúyìdé tọkàntọkàn. Tinú tẹ̀dọ̀ tòróró. Ẹ tẹ̀bò yìí f'Olúyìdé. Our election is in 23 days. Even though I'm mourning in Australia, I will join you people in the last 1 week for this election. People have rejected them. Ìjọba ajínigbé, ìjọba akówójẹ, ìjọba àwọn former governor for former governors. Wọ́n ti sọ yín sóko ẹrú, má tàbò rẹ o. Election tó ń bọ̀ má tàbò rẹ o. Olúyìdé ni o, PDP ni o, má tàbò yìí o. Má tàbò rẹ o, má tàbò rẹ Ọlọ́run mo fi bẹ̀ o. Ẹni tó bá tàbò ẹ iṣẹ́ ò ní kóònú lé wọn títí láéláé. Má tàbò rẹ, má báyọ̀ àwa jẹ́ lẹ́kìtì. Àwọn olè yìí gbúdọ̀ lọ. Ìjọba olè yìí gbúdọ̀ lọ. Olè ni wọ́n ẹlẹ́fìbò lé wọn dànù. Olè ni wọ́n ẹ̀dẹ̀ dúró tìbò yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kó kábò yín lójú yín o. Má tàbò rẹ o, wọ́n ti lọ from everywhere. Ìkọ̀lé Ọ̀yẹ́ Òmùò gbogbo wọn lólúyìdé ni. Ẹ má tàbò yín, mo f'Olúwa bẹ̀ yín. Ẹ lọ lé wọn dànù. Ẹ tì wọ́n síta. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló máa rí lórúkọ Olúwa wa. Àmín. Ìwọ tó dẹ̀ fẹ́ tàbò rẹ, oko ẹrú wọn á kú sí.